I'm up at Tarnagulla, and I've been detecting for about 20 minutes and found my first piece of gold. Really small, but good start. Only 20 minutes in, and I'm with a couple of other people. They're over that way somewhere. Some big mine diggings up there, big piles. Diggings going back down the other side there, and down that gully, and that's where I'm heading. Let's see if we can get some more. On the edge of this old tree here, found my second bit. Been a while because I had a phone call from my friend who found 5 bits this morning with this monster over in Bendigo. But yeah, second bit. First bit was just over there, 10 metres away. Alright, this looks like a good area. It's this type of creamy coloured clay it's coming out of. So yeah, light yellowy coloured clay is always the best. I'll keep working my way around here and see how I go. Literally 5 minutes ago I found a bit there, and I've just found another piece just 2 feet from it. 2 bits in 2 targets. Great. Another small one, but well, they all add up. Just found another piece. It's not very big, but have a listen to it. That's through the headphones. Absolute screaming. It's kind of flat, that's probably why. Anyway, that's the 4th bit. Almost lost count. 4th bit, yeah. Alright, keep going. Got a mate down there, he's digging away. Been a while, but found number 5. And yeah, another screamer. And I think I might stop for lunch. On day 2 at Tarnagulla. I'm in this gully here. And very first target is a bit of gold. I've been here 5 minutes. And yeah, I thought I was lead shot. Great, gold, what a start. Alright, see if we can get some more. Found my second piece of gold in 10 minutes. The last bit was just there. Then I found a bit of lead over there. Back down here, another bit of gold. And not a bad bit either. It's a screamer. So I'm going to just concentrate on this side of this hill, I think. Yep, well, this is what I got at Tarnagulla. Seven pieces of gold. 0.61, that's pretty good. Plus I got a specimen with the monster, which I'll crush up and add it to this. Got this at Tarnagulla with the monster. With one rock. Broke it up. And there's actually visible gold on it. Just show you. See it? Yeah. There's other speckledy bits as well. There's one bit right there. Pretty sure I saw some on here as well. Anyway, it's a nice looking rock, and I'll break these open and see what we got. Might not break this one up. I just noticed something about this. There's a nice little crystal right there. We can zoom in and get a better look. Look at that. And it's yellow. So I might just keep that intact. Anyway, this is what I got out of the specy at Tarnagulla. Only crushed half the rock because the one without the signal I didn't crush because it's got crystals on it, but there's probably gold in it. But there's some nice little chunks in there. Not sure how much in weight yet. I'll have to weigh it up, but yeah, anyway, worth doing. Show you what I got off the specy from Tarnagulla. Found a bit of monster. It's all out of the rock. 151. There's a little bit of sand in there. Pretty good, really. 0.5. It's not bad. And these are the rest of the bits I've got. 1.122. Well, that species really added to that, isn't it? Good going.